Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be filming a second part of my hair transformation. So yesterday I got a haircut, which is why my hair is much shorter compared to the other video. So I decided to get rid of this red hair and go into the brown color, which is this guy. I'm using the same brand, the Garnier Color Naturals. This one is the caramel chocolate, which is the shade 532. The reason why I'm changing my hair color is because next week I have interviews for jobs, and this red color is a little bit too bright for me, and it's a little bit like it's a fun experiment color, but long term wise it's a little bit too annoying to maintain. And also my roots are going back black, so it's like in 2 shades, and my natural color is dark brown, so this will totally match my color and it'll still give me a little bit of brightness, which is what I wanted in the end. So I'm gonna open up the box. In case you're wondering, I'm filming on the toilet right now because the room has a chair in there that is quite expensive, I guess. So I don't want to use the expensive chair to film. So sorry about the noise. So yeah, it's just a simple 2-step formula like before. I just have to mix it in, and as usual I don't have a mixing bowl or a tool that I can use. But I do have like a comb and also a cup, a plastic cup that I can use. I'm gonna go get the mixing bowl eventually, but I'm scared to get it because then I'm addicted to coloring, but I'll end up having every shade of the rainbow. So it's the same as that thing. So you have this guy, which is a color riche Garnier cream riche colorant, and then you have the developer, which is this guy, and the rules and regulations, which is the same like that thing, and then there's a glove in there. So yeah, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So right now I'm gonna mix the 2 things. So I'm gonna start off with the developer. It's a super liquidy developer. It's kind of like a conditioner type thing, and it's quite little. There's no smell in this thing. I think it's just a basic conditioner basically. And then this is a colorant. So this is where the colorant comes. It's in the yellow, so it's definitely gonna be caramelly colored. My hair is red right now, so I'm assuming it will go brown, but it will not go super dark brown, so it will go more like a lighter brown, hopefully. So yeah. In case you're wondering why am I always staying in the hotel and not at home, it's because I'm cleaning up my old house right now, and my old house is unlivable condition. A lot of my things are not there, a lot of my things are just like furniture stuff. So I don't have like a proper shower and a proper place to eat and stuff like that. It's a complete mess basically. So I don't wanna just live in that situation, and this hotel that I found isn't that expensive, so I thought why not. Plus it's just down the road from the home that I live in. It's about 10 minutes away, so I thought why not. Plus this hotel is kind of beautiful, so I will be filming more videos in this hotel. So I did film Q&A that will be up before this video. So that. And then I filmed two Q&As actually, two Q&As, one in the bathroom while I was coloring, and then the other one while I was myself. So the texture is like a peachy color. The light on the toilet really, so I didn't show you the color properly. So yeah, so it's just like a light peach. Yeah, you can see it. So I'm going to be using the colored glasses. Okay. So this inside here has the conditioner which they give you for the coloring. I would advise you to use the conditioner that they give because this one, it protects your hair color that you just recently dyed in. If you are not using it, use your own shampoos or your own conditioner. Sometimes the color won't stick and the color will run quickly. Because even though this color is probably just like, if I'm not mistaken, 2 to 3 days old, it's already faded out, which is interesting, which I did not think it would fade out that quickly, but I guess it's not meant to be that long. And also, because I did do like a chop, my hair is quite short right now, so I'm assuming the colors that went to the top like this are missing out with me right now. So yeah. So I'm just going to wash the comb. So it is quite soft. It's not like there's one that is called, I think it's called Gatsby. The Gatsby one, the one that has bleach in it, is so painful. Like it takes up a lot of my scalp hair and it's a super annoying texture. It takes a long time, but because it is bleach. So if you are someone like who has super dark black hair and you want to go super light quickly, you have to use the Gatsby because the Gatsby is ridiculously good for dark hair. I naturally have dark brown / black hair. My hair is quite browny, not really black. So when I try to color it, like for example blonde, right at the salon, I didn't want to bleach. So when I didn't want to bleach, it only turned white reddish. It did not go blonde because black hair tends to have red tint in it. So which is why it did not come out. And as I predicted, there's a lot more left. So I'm going to just keep lathering and I'm fixing it all through my hair. So it is going to be super nice. Yeah. I am filming on my Oppo Reno 4 Pro today, so I'm not filming on my iPhone because to film on the iPhone and then transfer it to my Oppo is just driving me insane because you have to send it through Telegram, the app, and then you have to edit it. It takes quite long to edit everything, so I don't want to just keep doing that. I do film on my MacBook Air quite frequently. I film on the FaceTime camera on the MacBook Air. And I also film on my new camera, the Nikon. But the problem with the camera is, Fujifilm. I do film with the camera, but the problem with the camera is I'm not sure how to film yet. I'm still getting used to it. I've only taken like photos in it. I haven't really done complete videos on it. Only done like snippets. So I'm going to do my sideburns too. I'm not going to do my eyebrows or anything else because it will completely color my eyebrows, and then sometimes it does not stick, and then sometimes it does stick. Once I did that mistake and I bleached my eyebrows, and I was like, oh god. I didn't completely bleach my eyebrows, but it came out patchy. So if you want to bleach your eyebrows or you want to change your facial hair, not really your hair, then it's better to do it in the salon because they know what they are doing, and we tend to do stuff on a random stuff. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done right now. So I'm just gonna grab my tissue paper, which is something the other hotel did not have. They did not have a tissue paper. They only have they didn't have a tissue box in the room, I noticed. But, oh yeah, they did have a tissue roll. So I have not used the tissue roll, but I'll wipe down my floor. I think I wiped off the color. So I'm gonna go in a little bit more towards the top. Oops. Just get it done. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on my skin for now because it's not gonna color my skin anyway, it's just gonna be that. Once when I did it, it completely colored my skin, so it freaked the shit out of me because my hands were like purple for 2 days, but it came out after a few days. And I do have quite bad vision, like I can't see without my glasses, which is why I tend to film with my glasses. If you see my social media, I tend not to wear it because I don't like my face with my glasses. I already have a round head and my glasses make me look even more round. But maybe lying, I have to use it. I am thinking about getting contact lenses, but I'm ridiculously scared of putting things in my eyes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done. I will see you guys in 30 minutes when this dries out, and then I will wash my hair, and then I'll dry my hair, and then I'll film with you guys. It will be in the room instead of the bathroom. So, see you guys in 30 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So the color is done. So it turned out to be these light brown, super light brown, goldish brown. Beautiful. I love the shade. It's super soft and it's super me. I love this shade. This is kind of like the colors that I love to use on myself. So yeah, I will be sticking to this color, that's for sure. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video, and like this video. This will be so much to me. So I won't be doing any more academic videos anytime soon, obviously. So I will be uploading my other Q&A videos, and I will be filming some other videos coming up soon. It'll be different type videos. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.